These layers show shops, streets, and buildings in Hanover. You can style point, line, and polygon layers in Goat. For a detailed guide on adding layers, watch our Adding a Layer video. Layers created by tools in Goat are automatically styled by their most significant attribute, and your uploaded layers will have a basic style. First, we'll style a point layer. Click on Layer Design on the right side panel. Here you can set the layer that you'd like to style if it's not already your active layer. At Fill Color, the point's color can be changed. You can personalize the color or choose from preset ones. Add a stroke by turning on the Stroke Color button. You have similar options for coloring it as at the Fill Color. Change the point's radius size on a scale on the lower section, or type in the number. By turning on the Custom Marker option, you can set a different marker to show instead of the points. You can change its size on a scale and personalize its color just as the points. At the top section, you can save your current styling as a default and reset the styling to the default settings. When it comes to styling a line layer, the options are similar. That layer needs to be active on which you'd like to work. At Color section, you can pick a personalized or a preset color. You can change the stroke width on a scale under the color settings. When styling a polygon layer, similarly to the previous ones, you can pick your own or a preset fill color. You can add a stroke by turning on the Stroke Color button and personalize its color and stroke width. It's also possible to hide the fill color and keep only the strokes visible. Watch our attribute-based layer styling video and discover how to create more colorful and unique styled maps.